Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some treats for you. Your word of the day, Sagittarius, is the voice of my heart. Return to your heart. You're being so much of the world instead of just being in this world and being unique, your original self. Stop trying to fit in. What everyone else is doing, it doesn't fit your mold. You're original. It's time to leave your fingerprint, your footprint, leave your mark. But your voice in your heart, listen to the contents, listen to the rhythm, go to the beat of your own drum, and watch how the rest of the world follows. I silence the fear in me, and I discover the voice in my heart, and I'm not scared to be myself. The fruit of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to my path of light, abundance, and my gifts. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.